If you're looking to learn about the law of attraction, this video is for you. My friend Wouter and I are going to be giving you guys the best beginner's guide to law of attraction so you can manifest love and success.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Wouter and I'm just like April, teaching people the law of attraction. And in this video we want you to know those key steps in order to manifest love and success.
So we've all heard it, law of attraction. What you put out is what you get back. It sounds a little bit easier said than done. And it's true. It is a little easier said than done, especially when you're just learning it. You're gonna get a big download of information all at once. And it's a little confusing because you don't know what bits and pieces to take, what things work for you, and just the basic guide to law of attraction. So that's what Wouter and I are here for.
So my name is Wouter and just 365 days ago, I learned something about the law of attraction, and ever since my life changed completely. I took control of my thoughts, my emotions, my actions, and eventually also my results. And even though I just started my YouTube channel, and even though I am now on YouTube teaching this stuff, there was a time, quite some time ago, 10 years ago, where I felt so alone, so deeply lost and so insecure about myself that I almost decided to end my life. And that's something that's very scary to tell here on camera, but it was the truth. I felt so meaningless and so insecure about myself and just the whole world that I was thinking of not moving on anymore. And after that I learned about law of attraction, controlling your thoughts, creating better feelings, and also how your thoughts and feelings influence the whole world around you. Actually, the whole world is a reflection of who you are. And when I understood that, my life changed completely. I manifested money, I manifested a girlfriend because I struggled with love for many years. I never had a girlfriend until last year, after I learned about the law of attraction. And also, I started on YouTube. And that was something that I never thought I would be doing. But because I took control of my thoughts, my feelings and my actions, everything changed. So we will talk about that in this video.
Great points there, Wouter. So I know another main topic a lot of people are confused on is there a certain state that they have to be in to manifest?
And the answer is yes. Your life is a printout of your beliefs, because your beliefs, those result in your thoughts result into feelings, your feelings result into action, and action into result. That is how it works, and that is why beliefs are very important. And when you want to manifest, you have to be in a positive state. If you manifest out of neediness, anger, guilt, desire, that will not work, because your feelings are different. They are out of lack, anger, and a very low vibration. We want you to be grateful, to be expecting what you want to manifest. Be grateful, be happy, and then you can manifest way faster, because you act out of love, out of gratitude, and not those low vibe emotions. Because you can fuel your actions by positivity or negativity, and positivity is way more powerful. And also, you don't have to be meditating all day. That's a common misconception most people have. You meditate for maybe 30 minutes a day, and the 23 hours of the rest of your day you should also be in a very uplifting, motivational, inspiring mood. If you just be grateful for the thing you want to manifest, let's say you want to manifest a girlfriend, in those 30 minutes of meditation you can be very grateful, but when you have to do the damn thing in the real world, those actions, those feelings, those thoughts, and then you feel needy or desperate, it won't work. You won't manifest a girlfriend just here. When you're meditating, you manifest it in real life, when you take action, when an opportunity arises and you feel comfortable enough to take action. And that is when you change your thoughts, because your thoughts influence your feelings influence your actions. So when you see that girl, you take different actions because you have different thoughts and different feelings, and then you have different results. So you can manifest anywhere and everywhere, and especially also during your day.
So I'd love to know that we can manifest anywhere. That's very exciting. You guys can do it out when you're shopping, out when you're with your friends or at home. Anytime you're allowed to manifest. And that's so exciting and so freeing for sure. So Wilder, what would be 3 or 4 main components that we need for law of attraction? What are the keys?
The first one is belief. You should believe in what you want. If you believe you will get a girlfriend, you will have different thoughts and different feelings. The second step is to expect it. Also, when you expect the thing you want, the girlfriend, you are more likely to have different thoughts and different actions, different feelings. And with those different actions, you have different results. So the first step, believe. The second step is expect. And then the third step is receive. You have to be open to receiving. Love, if we talk about love is not hiding from you, but you are hiding from love. You have so many love blocks maybe inside of you, and therefore you sabotage yourself right here in the subconscious mind. And when you remove those beliefs, your life will change, because your life is a printout of your beliefs. And when you change your beliefs, you open up to receiving. I always felt like I wasn't worthy of receiving love, that someone else could love me. And therefore I sabotaged myself, my actions, and also my results. But when I became aware of that limiting belief, my life changed. And I finally met the girlfriend I'm currently with. And it's a beautiful process, I can tell you that. So you got believe, expect, and receive. And receiving only happens when you open yourself up by clearing and dismantling those limiting beliefs and take action. When you want to manifest a girlfriend or money, it doesn't happen when you sit on your couch and say, oh my god, yeah, I want to manifest 100,000 USD. I want to manifest a girlfriend. It doesn't happen, and that girl doesn't pop up on your bed, okay? You have to take action, consistent action. Then the fourth and final step is appreciate. Appreciate everything you have and everything you wish to get.
Great tips there, Wilder. I think the viewers will really appreciate all the help with law of attraction and the good tips that you just gave out. If you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below what tips and tricks you think are going to be best and most useful for you. We want to know, and we love to hear back from you guys. So before we move on, I want to know, what are some struggles with law of attraction? What are some struggles the viewers may face? I know I experienced many struggles along my journey, and so I want to kind of get some advice from you. What do you think?
So there are 3 main struggles with the law of attraction. And the first one is that you don't believe in what you can manifest. If you want to manifest $1 million, you can be sitting on your bench waiting, being desperate, but you can also scale down. And what I mean by that is that, okay, you may want that $1 million, but have you already managed to get 10k months? Or do you make $100,000 a year? You can manifest that, because then you are more, you believe more in what you can manifest, and you take different actions, and you got different feelings, different thoughts, and different results. Scale back. Wishing for $1 million. I want $1 million, but I'm focusing right now on getting 10k months, and then maybe 20k months, 30k months, because that is something I believe in. The $1 million is just too far out of reach. If you want a girlfriend, you can focus on attracting potential dates, talking with girls, talking with boys. Maybe not that relationship. If you want to get married, that's maybe very far ahead. Focus on the small things, because you have to believe in it. Because when you believe in it, you got the different thoughts and different feelings, and those are the 2 main components of the law of attractions: thought and feeling. The second thing is giving up right before it manifests, and that's also a very big one, because most people give up right before the finish line, and that's such a shame. If you keep on going, be consistent, be persistent, you will get the thing you want. That first date may be horrible, but the second one may be good, and then you got your potential girlfriend. One failure in business doesn't mean that you're not good enough, but it means that you have to pivot. You have to keep going. The bigger the thing you want to manifest, the longer the preparation time tends to be. If you go to a restaurant and you ask a salad. It might be on your plate in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But if you order 10 steaks, 5 wines, soup, everything, it might take an hour. Okay? The bigger the thing you want to manifest, the longer the preparation time tends to be. The third biggest mistake is being needy. And when you act out of neediness, people run away. If someone approaches you and that is a needy person, I think you run away. If you're sitting in the park, just on a bench, and there is someone running at you because he's very needy, you would run away. And the same thing happens with neediness. You have to act out of love and appreciation and gratitude. Be high vibe, not needy. Neediness is not the good fuel for your actions. Your actions should be fueled with something positive. You act out of love and not out of hate, out of anger, out of frustration, because then you don't think clearly. Act out of love, don't be needy, because people run away from needy people because you emit that needy energy. Everything will run away from needy people.
So far, you've done an amazing job, Waters, with giving us our tips and tricks to use, giving us the basics, giving us the certain struggles we may face. So how do we condense all of this down into focusing on manifesting love and success? I know I've been particularly good at manifesting success, and you've been great at manifesting love with your new girlfriend. So maybe you want to tell us a little bit about that. What do you think?
I will summarize it for you one more time so it's completely clear for you. Believe, expect, receive, and appreciate. Always do that. I want you to believe in what you want, whether it's the $100,000 or the girlfriend. And we will pick the girlfriend, for example. Believe that you are worthy of love, that you are good enough, that you're good looking, that you're just lovable. Believe that you're lovable. Those are beliefs that you have to implement. Destruct and eliminate all negative beliefs. Write them down on paper. Just everything that pops up in your mind. And think, are they true? Are they really true? Nobody keeps you away from love. Only you do. Nobody does it. Only you. Nobody keeps you away from that money. Only you do, because you have that limiting belief. You have so many limiting beliefs, so become aware of them in the first place. The second thing is that you have to expect what you want. So when you have removed those limiting beliefs, I want you to expect that if you go to a bar, that people like you, that you're good looking, that you expect people or girls or boys to look at you because you are handsome, that you are good enough, that you're lovable. Expect the thing you wish to manifest. And also, just in your daily life, even now with Corona, it's very difficult for dating, but believe that she will come soon. That the universe is preparing you for that relationship. Believe and expect. Expect that it will happen soon. Then the third thing is receive. And receive means just opening up. Opening up for love and success. Nobody keeps love and success away from you, only you do, because you don't open yourself up. And yes, you may think, well, I just want that girlfriend, or I want that money. I'm not blocking it, but subconsciously you may have a lot of limiting beliefs about love and success that keep you away from it. So receive, open yourself, and take action. And the final thing is appreciate. Appreciate the things that you don't have yet, because you will attract it. You will attract everything you are grateful for.
Great tips, Wouter. I'm definitely going to be implementing a lot of those tips and tricks for myself to manifest certain things in my life. And as you guys are expanding on your journey, there's always new tips, there's always new tricks, there's always new ways of learning and adjusting your manifestation techniques to get more powerful as you get more in touch with yourself. I'm sure, Wouter, you would agree with that.
So I want to thank you for listening to me, and I also want to thank April for having me on her YouTube channel, and it was a great pleasure to teach you all about the law of attraction. If you want to know more about me or everything I teach, you can visit my own channel. And I wish you the best, and may your dreams come true next year and maybe even next month. Believe in yourself.
I really hope this helps you guys as an easy beginner's guide to law of attraction. If you're looking to start your own YouTube channel, to get a message out there, to spread all of your knowledge out there to the world. Wouter's going to be your guide. He's going to teach you guys how to start your YouTube channel, give you guys the basics, help you get a website up, do everything like that, all the different coaching that you need. He's your man. Make sure to go follow his page. Make sure to check in the description box. Check out his account. Check out his page. Hit the subscribe button. Like this video. Leave a comment if you guys like it. And if you're more interested in self-development and law of attraction videos, I'll be your girl for that. You guys can go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well and check out a couple videos that I got. I got quite a few. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Wouter, thank you very much for your amazing advice and intellect on law of attraction, your experiences and everything you've gone through. I definitely think it kind of helps people put things into perspective about truly how easy the law of attraction is for us and how we can make our dreams manifest into our reality. So I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day. Thank you very much for watching.